Hello viewers, this is Advocate Devis Chodhikari from Kolkata, India. I have one more YouTube channel, Bangla Legal Advice. You will find the link in the description box. So if you are a Bangali or you understand Bengali, please visit my channel and do not forget to subscribe. In this video, I will tell you how can you start money lending business and what are the rules and regulations for carrying on this business. No one will deny that it's the one of the most lucrative and risk-free business for centuries. But do you know that until you carry a valid license to that effect, lending money with an intent to earn profit in the form of interest is illegal. So if you are planning to start a money lending business or you are already carrying the business without obtaining a license, this video is a must watch for you. So watch this video till end and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it right now while watching this video. Now see, every state in our country has its own money lending rules and regulations. There is no central act with regard to money lending. For example, West Bengal Money Lenders Amendment Act 1981, Bihar Money Lenders Act 1974, Rajasthan Money Lenders Act 1963, Uttar Pradesh Regulation of Money Lending Act 1976, Maharashtra Money Lending Regulation Act 2014, Kerala Money Lenders Act 1958, and so on. But the spirit of all these state legislation and provisions are almost similar. In this video, I will tell you who is eligible for this business, how can you apply for a money lending license, where you have to apply, how long it takes to issue a license, how much it costs, is there any fund limit for running this business, what are the procedures to run this business, and what are the accountabilities of you towards your borrowers, what will be the rate of interest and who has the power to decide the same, under what circumstances your license can be cancelled, when your borrower can put you behind the bar, and if your borrower does not pay you back, how you can recover your money. Now it's time to answer all these queries. Who is eligible to hold a license? If you are not restricted by any order by any court of law, or you have not been convicted for committing any offense under the provisions of Money Lending Act of your state, you are eligible to hold a license. How you can apply for a money lending license? The application form is available in the website of the concerned department. So just download it, fill it and file it before the concerned department along with your all KYC document like any other regular application form. But you also need to give the address of your registered place of business. So before applying for the license, you have to apply for the trade license. Where you have to apply? Actually depends on area. The concerned department may be the local Tehsildar office, it may be the revenue department, or it may be even the office of the additional district magistrate. That you can ascertain very well from the internet. How long it takes to issue a license? Normally it takes 3 to 4 months, but it depends state-wise. But it's not a lifetime license. You have to renew it at intervals. How much it costs? It's not costly at all. Anyone can afford it. Is there any limit for running this business? The best thing is that under the Money Lender Act, you are not required to disclose the source of your fund. Now, what are the procedures to run the business? Every money lender is mandatorily required to maintain cash book, ledger book and receipt book. The lender have to maintain it in the regional language or in English. At the time of lending, every lender must deliver to his borrower the terms and conditions of the loan in writing. The lender is also bound to issue Pakka receipt to his borrower against each and every repayment. After repayment of the entire loan, the money lender is obliged to give the statement of closure of account along with the discharge in writing to his borrower. In each financial year, the money lender is required to give the full statement of accounts up to date to each of his borrower. But in the middle of the year, if any borrower in writing demand the statement of account, the money lender is obliged to give him the up-to-date account within 30 days of receiving his request. But as per the Money Lenders Act, the borrower is not bound by the statement provided by the lender. So you must be very careful and honest while maintaining your accounts. Now the very important point. What will be the rate of interest and who has the power to decide the same? No moneylender is authorized to charge rate of interest as per his will. He will have to abide by the rate of interest fixed by the state government. For example, in West Bengal, in case of unsecured loan, the rate of interest is fixed at 12.5%. But in case of a secured loan, the rate of interest would be 10%. But if the loan provided is a commercial loan, in that case, unsecured loan would be charged at the rate of 20% and secured loan would be charged at the rate of 17%. Now, under what circumstances your license can be cancelled? If the lender contravenes any of the provisions contained in the State Moneylender Act, on application of the borrower, the competent court has the authority to cancel the license of the moneylender. Apart from that, if the license is obtained by the moneylender by perpetrating fraud or he obliterates or attempts to obliterate the license, in these circumstances, the license can be permanently cancelled and he can be convicted too by the court. When your borrower can put you behind the bar. If your borrower neglects or refuses to pay you back, you can make an attempt to recover your sum by applying before the competent court. But in no situation you are allowed to loiter around the residence or the workplace of the borrower. Neither you can obstruct or use violence or intimidate the borrower. You also cannot persistently follow or take away any valuable article owned by the borrower in lieu of not paying the loan. But if you do so, upon application or complaint filed by the borrower, the court can put you behind the bar for 1 year. In addition to that, for contravening any rules, your borrower can also lodge complaint against you at the website of RBI, that is at sachet.rbi.org.in. Now, if your borrower does not pay you back, how you can recover your money? To get the answer, you have to wait for my next video. So subscribe to my channel and keep sharing and liking my videos. And if you have any legal query of any stream, you can put it in the comment box. I promise you to reply. Till then, have a good day. Stay safe. Thank you.